YouTube? Welcome back to another Street Series video. Don't mind my sunburnt face. I was out all day. I'm doing my CDL course, so we're basically standing all day outside in the sun. So yeah, don't mind my red face. Anyways, the Type S, it was having a misfire due to oil getting onto the spark plug because the spark plug seals, one of them was messed up and causing the car to misfire. But now that we're swapping that out currently right now, so I'll keep you guys updated on the after process because it's pretty dark outside. As I was explaining, I just got home. It's about 7 o'clock, so it's pretty dark outside. But yeah, I'll update you guys on the results of switching out the gaskets and the seals, and hopefully that fixes the problem. So hopefully changing the spark plug tube seals fixes the misfire. Yeah, we'll see right now, guys. We're in the process right now, but the oil is getting into the spark plug. Hopefully the seal fixes it, so we'll see.
Yeah, that guy broke my pen.
That's why they were going.
No, he fucking ran and jumped on it. Look, this one's clean. You see that?
Yep.
Clean.
Yeah.
Oil. Fuck. I'm fucking a bucket.
It fell.
Oil.
Oily moily. That's cylinder 2.
No, there's 3. It's the one that's causing all your shit. And this is cylinder. I'm gonna have to take this shit off. Damn, this shit's on the good.
We have to do that one by hand.
Yup. Shine the light, babe.
Vid, you use 5W20? Guy's only gonna be let loose when we're home.
I might as well change these 3, dude. No, the back one. So 3 misfires, it misfires 6. It throws them all out of track. Do you want me to replace these 2? These are brand new, but look, it's already ripping. You see it?
Yeah.
So I just replaced.
Where'd you get those from, dude?
Didn't those come with the whole water pump thing?
Yeah, they did, huh?
Yeah, with the whole kit. When I'm aiming the light at you, it looks like Trailer Park Boys or cops.
Look, I smashed my
He
hand
said
right
shine the light, and he didn't notice I'm shining the light at his phone. And that just makes it harder to see.
He still doesn't notice.
I know it.
there. Babe, shine it on the engine.
Oh.
I just noticed.
When he tells you to hold the flashlight so you can learn, but all you learn is to get yelled at. Good times. Looks like the engine is made out of engine.
Tuner?
Would you agree?
Are you tuner?
Yeah, I'm a tuner.
Tuner?
Those memes are funny.
Lalo, can you give me a modelo from the trunk of my truck?
They're in the trunk?
Yeah.
Trunk of your truck.
Oh, test my coil. Yeah, do this before I change it. So what if it's a spark plug?
Yeah. Look,
Alrighty.
so now we gotta dry this shit out because I don't want to fucking take the spark plug off and oil go into the cylinder. So do some Mickey Mouse shit right here. Put some in the fridge and I'll drink this one. That shit is not hot. It's on tiempo.
How many do I put in the fridge?
All of them. The whole damn 12 pack, son.
Modelo kit.
You see? Damn, look at all that oil. I'm gonna have to use a screwdriver. You see it?
Yep.
And it's only this one. So this one's causing all of the misfires.
My Modelo is properly secure and mounted to the engine. There's no signs of cracks, damages, or leaks. I do want to mention that my Modelo is gear driven. And now I'll move on down to the throttle body.
That's good. Yeah, it's good. Okay, we Gucci video.
I'm gonna add some coolant to this shit right now.
Huh?
I'm gonna add some coolant to the reservoir right now. Finishing touches.
Huh?
The finishing touches. Check it out, guys. Car's running perfectly good now. Let me go ahead and show you guys that Lalo just washed it for me. But here, let me flip the camera around. Yeah, that shit looks good, bro. I'm happy it's finally running really good. I gotta throw on the rest of the red lug nuts that I got for Christmas from Lalo. As you can see, here are the old ones. Red ones up front. Yeah, guys, car's running good. Finally start uploading again. Hell yeah. Fuck yeah. I'm excited. But yeah, new video later this week after you guys watch this one. Stay tuned. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will be uploading another video later this week. Sorry I've been slacking on the content, but now that my car is good, I'm actually going to be able to upload a lot more. Here, let me show you guys what else I have. Alright guys, so this will actually be the next video that I'll be doing. It's a, oh, there's nothing on the back. But, yeah, it's a rear view mirror that works as both a dash cam and a reverse camera. You'll have to see the video in order to understand it a little better. But yeah, this company hooked me up with this. They gave me a 10% discount code, so if you guys would like one and you're in need of a dash cam, stay tuned for the next video. It'll be up later this week after we install this. And yeah, I'll have a 10% discount code on the description, and I'll also mention it in the video, so you guys can get one of these. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned for that. So yeah, guys, stay tuned for that. Finally, I'll be uploading weekly now, like I used to, now that my car is up and running. But yeah, I'm about to go hit the gym with Lalo, but before I say bye to you guys, I just want to thank you guys for 500 subscribers. I only know like 20 people in real life, so to have 500 of you supporting me, that's pretty cool. So yeah, guys, just stay tuned for the next video. A lot more content coming for sure, and I got a lot of plans for the Acura, so yeah, I can't wait for you guys to see what's next. I would show you guys what I have right here behind me, but it would kind of give it away. So yeah, just dash cam video will be next, and then I'll reveal what I have here. And yeah, guys, thank you for 500 subs. I appreciate you guys supporting. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to share the channel with your friends. It helps me grow. But yeah, guys, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.
Cause in this world, baby, there's a lot of fucking drugs, but you the only thing that could really fuck me up. You get me to another level that I ain't never seen. Got me asking for more, now I'm starting to fiend. Cause in this world, baby, there's a lot of fucking drugs, but you the only thing that could really fuck me up.